Good afternoon. Today is August 7th, 2025. My name is Blake Mullany, and I'm here to do a video source inspection of a Cybor 5116. This 5116 has actually been modified to a 5016 to remove the filter housing and recirculation. This is a customer's repair. The customer's PO number is 1477825. And today I'm going to do 3 dispenses at 15 milliliters. So here we go. Here's dispense 1 at 15 milliliters. So we'll total at 45 milliliters in the end. It's hard to see in the video, but we hit the 15 milliliter line. Now we're at 30 milliliters. And to finish it off, we are now at 45 milliliters. This was a quick video source inspection for a Cybor 5116, but actually is 5016. So this was done for Sitek Process Solutions, and have a great day.